Discover a library of helpful plumbing videos with Balkan. When your drains need fixing, or your faucet springs a leak, where do you turn for help? For many, the answer lies online. But not all plumbing videos are created equal. Introducing Balkan Plumbing's YouTube channel. With clear lighting, expert angles, and professional explanations, our videos help you tackle DIY projects and better understand plumbing services. What can you expect from Balkan Plumbing videos? Learn dozens of DIY repairs, quickly and easily. Understand how your pipes and sewers work. See every repair done by a skilled and licensed pro. Know when a project is in your skill set. Take better care of your fixtures and drains. Make better plumber hiring decisions with basic knowledge. Explore the Balkan Plumbing video YouTube library. Whether you're looking up how to complete a repair or you're just curious about how your plumbing works, you'll find everything you could want to learn about plumbing with a visual, step-by-step explanation. Get ready to dive into a world of professional plumbing guides, captivating explanations, and useful pro tips. When you need exemplary drain or plumbing services, contact Team Balkan. After 70 years, and over 80,000 satisfied customers, Balkan is the team you trust.